Welcome back to my channel. Here is another day, beautiful day. I'm heading to the grocery. Many people have been asking me questions that is it expensive to live in Finland? What is the cost of living in Finland? Can we survive with the small salary if we have, or we are students here working part-time? Can we survive on the salary or the earning that we have? So I'm taking you to the grocery store. I'm doing the routine grocery. I'll be sharing with you the prices of each and every product that I buy. And it is important to know about the country or the cost of living before you move there. 2 hours parking is free. They have nice parking area. So I park my car. The first floor is where you can do the grocery. The food products are there. So tomatoes, you can see the price 1.98 euro per kilogram. Quite reasonable tomatoes. Then we go to the fruit section. The first thing we buy is the pears, 2.59 euros per kilogram. Fruits are the part of our grocery because the kids eat for their snacks. Apples very cheap. You can see the price 1.25 euros per kilogram. Quite cheaper, good for the snacks. Banana, of course, every time we don't have anything, the kids eat banana. 1.79 euro per kilogram. Variety of bananas they have. You can buy onions very cheap, 1.29 white onion, and 1.79 euros per kilo are the red onions. Quite reasonable here, but in summer you need to check the onions well. If soft, maybe the first and the second layer is already rotten. Potatoes very cheap, 0.79 euros per kilogram. Potatoes are also reasonable to put in the food, for example in the gravy or curry. We frequently use it. Here we buy the bread, 2.07 euros. Two breads we buy. Kids eat it for the breakfast, for the snacks all the time with the spread. But check the expiry date, 19, quite reasonable for us, a week. Then we buy cheese, 1.93 euros per pack, and there are 20 pieces inside. Super cheap. Yogurt, kids like for their snacks, so they have small packs of yogurts prepared ready to eat, 0.50 to 0.70 euros. A variety of fruits they can choose from. Then I need margarine. Margarine is 0.79 the whole pack. It's super cheap here. It's for the vegetarian vegan, so quite reasonable to buy because we have an autistic child, so we are looking for the vegetable products or products free of milk, something like that. And here they have yogurt. If you need the big pack, 1 liters or 1 kgs, it's also 1.79 something euros. Banana, mango, whatever flavor you like. Good to eat, as a yalki ruaka, means after eating the main meal you can eat something sweet. Cereals, quite reasonable to buy, good for the kids because as I have mentioned in my previous videos that sometimes kids go down themselves and prepare their meal, prepare their breakfast themselves. They just put the cereal, pour the cereal in the bowl and put the milk, and they are done. So we don't need to quickly go down and prepare for them. They can be more independent. Milk is needed, 1 pack of milk, 1 liter milk every day. And for the autistic boy we buy the lactose and gluten-free milk products. Last time we tried also rice milk, 1.78 euros per liter, but it was not very tasty, so he didn't like it. Eggs they have here, variety of eggs, quite reasonable, but I prefer to buy it there in Yalla Asian store because they have big tray and more cheaper. But here also you can find the eggs if you need a few eggs, few pieces, but we need a lot. Ketchup you can buy Heinz or Felix brand. It's more expensive, we usually buy this, but if you want the cheaper one they also have extra brand. It's 0.74 euro only, 1 kg of ketchup, only 0.74 euro. It's very cheap, super cheap you can say. So if you want to save money, ketchup is ketchup, of course you can buy, but again the preference of the family, some people they like that, so you have to. Salt is very cheap, 1.44 and 1.08, 1 kg of the salt you can buy. Sugar also very cheap, 0.78 euro per kg. The whole kg of sugar is super cheap. So these are the products I usually buy here. On the second floor you can find the utensils, many useful items, tools, equipments, everything you can buy there. For example, frying pan, you can see they have cheaper, they have the expensive one. The cups, they have €4, €5. If you need the cheaper one, also you can buy in the other stores, €1 for example, or €2. We found zipper bag very cheap. It's €1 only, 25 zipper bag inside. Then they have here for the souvenir very expensive cups, like €49 this one. Good for the souvenir. If you need them, you want to bring them with you, that's okay, but not for the use, of course. You need to use the normal cups, and if you buy the expensive and give them to the kids, they're gonna break it and money will be just wasted. So second floor you can see they have so many things. They have also clothes, footwear, everything. So what I buy here in Prisma, usually I buy tomatoes here. Tomatoes quite cheap, quite reasonable. Onions I buy here, and also potatoes, and some vegetables I buy here, not all. Then we usually buy banana is quite reasonable here, and you can see also the freshness of banana, it's so visible. We buy also pears, we buy apples. These are more fresh here, nice to eat, good for their snacks. We avoid chocolates and other things, so it's quite reasonable for us to buy the fruits here. But we don't buy here mangoes are expensive, and some other fruits like watermelon are cheaper in the other places. Margarine is very cheap, 0.98 or 88 euro something, very very cheap, super cheap. We buy it here, and it takes almost like 20 days for us to finish. Then we also buy here the yogurt. These are the regular things, the regular products that we buy here. Yogurt we buy for the kids, a small one. Sometimes we also buy the big one. It's nice really to eat after the meal. And then cereals, quite reasonable here. The cereals you can buy here, easy to prepare, it will make your life easy. Then sugar, 0.78 euros per kg, very cheap. We need sugar for baking the cake, making tea, and also for other like making shake, fruit shake. Usually we make mango shake, banana shake. We need of course sugar to make it more tasty. Sugar is of course everywhere, whatever you buy, the juice, drinks, they add the sugar. And those shakes, if you buy outside, it's like €5 per glass, and at home you prepare, drink unlimited. Now we're done with the grocery today. Quite reasonable store, Prisma. It's near to our house, just 8-9 minutes drive from my home. Nice parking place, complete store. In the beginning I mentioned to you, you can find everything there. The cart trolley is a nice thing that I like, because the guy, when he was small, it was difficult for us to carry him all the time, and he would always ask to carry him because he doesn't want to walk. Now we put him in the car trolley, so he's busy driving the car. At the same time, we have a lot of space to put the products or the items that we buy there at the store. Now we're back to the parking area. Nice parking, just near only the door. So now I need to put my things. We bought a lot today. I'll go to the another store as well, to Yella, but it will be in the another video where I buy more products or different products. What is important, that you know the prices of the product and you know the quality. Well, this was our experience today visiting the Prisma grocery store. It's the biggest grocery store. We go there weekly, and you have seen what products I have bought. You have seen also the prices. I always suggest that in Finland you do the smart grocery, where you buy the daily necessities from those stores where you can find them more cheaper and more reasonable. These two stores are usually reasonable for us, where we buy most of our groceries. One is Prisma, second is Yalla. As I said, Prisma is the biggest store, so it's more convenient, to go there and find so many things. And especially if you are new in Finland, you don't have car. I remember in the beginning when we didn't have car, it was quite difficult for us, to take so many things. We wanted to buy many things, but again, you have to carry all of them. And going to the bus stop, and if it's snow, raining, it's a little bit challenging for you to get all those things there to the bus stop, wait for the bus, and then putting them in, and then going out again they're walking, so it's a bit difficult. Please consider following and subscribing if you're new to the platform or the channel. I'll be keep posting and sharing my experiences with you. This is quite enough for today. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.